Good morning, it's Mark Leibovit, and it's Monday, March 14th, and this is a Leibovit volume reversal tutorial here on Metastock. We're going to be looking at United States Natural Gas, UNG, in just a moment. On the screen, you're looking at the order page for the Mark Leibovit volume reversal toolkit here at Metastock. It is offered in three versions: the sequential, directional, and 2-day. We use the sequential on these videos. What that means is the sequential posts all positive and negative VRs. The directional filters out repetitive volume reversals, and the 2-day is based on the premise that following a positive or negative VR, you tend to get 1 or 2-day or even 3-day moves in that direction, but we programmed it on a 2-day exit. Could be 2 bars, so obviously any time frame is applicable on that 2-day version. But let's jump into the chart. We're looking at UNG, which was a trade at vrtrader.com, my website as well. Here we had a nice Leibovit positive volume reversal, and that occurred on the 7th. We had a rising 533 stochastic, which I like to use as a confirming indicator. As you can see, we had a nice little percentage move, United States Natural Gas. So maybe a bigger move is starting here. I don't know. We did take the trade. What we also like is there's some decent correlation in the UNG chart with our work, going all the way here to the left side of the chart. Way back on January 14th, we had a nice Leibovit negative VR, downtrending 533, and some nice follow-through for a couple days. We had a positive VR here on January 22nd. Rising stochastic, and there was follow-through in the days following that. So pretty decent correlation. If you have an example like here, we covered this, by the way, at the Traders Expo in New York and at the Money Show in Orlando. If you attended our workshops here on January 25th, you got a negative VR, but you have a rising 533, so I did not take that trade, even though in theory there was a little bit of follow-through. So I like to see confirmation where I can, and if you're wrong, we stop out relatively quickly, and those guidelines are, presented in more detail when you watch our other tutorial videos. Meanwhile, stepping back here a second, I'd like to remind you that at vrtrader.com we do host a series of newsletters and products. The VR Platinum is where we posted the UNG and other recommendations this past week. Our Silver service covers daily market commentary without recommendations. Our Gold letter covers natural resources of all kinds, including gold. Our Forecaster covers our annual forecast model, cyclical projections for 2016. Our Vice letter covers cannabis stocks, gaming stocks, alcohol stocks, tobacco stocks, and a bunch of other vice or sin names, including Tesla and even Coach or Micro Core. So broad-based letter, but definite emphasis on the cannabis where possible. And of course, my book, The Trader's Book of Volume, The Definitive Guide to Volume Trading, is a must-read. It is also available in Chinese. Also, I'd like to point out, I do host the Wall Street Raw radio program, 10 a.m. Eastern, on the GCN network. That's gcnlive.com, which stands for the Genesis Communication Network. So I encourage you to tune in on Saturdays, 10 a.m. It is also archived if you miss the show. So thank you for checking in. We'll be back with you next week. And don't forget to sign up here at Metastock for my VR indicator.